My adventurers, this is an update to the previous giveaway video. I figure if you're gonna get a free class, then you will need a mixer to mix it with, right? So I'm giving you a mixer along with the free class. Now, if you live overseas where Amazon doesn't ship, I won't be able to give you the mixer. I'll have to figure something out, maybe a gift certificate in the same amount. But I'm giving you guys a mixer, and you know it has 6 settings. You can do anything you want with it. I think the container is about 3 quarts or something like that. I have an 8-quart one now, the new one. But this is nice. They come in several colors, as you can see, and they're very attractive, very pretty. So what I will do is, once you win, I'll go to Amazon. You'll send me your information. I go to Amazon, have it shipped to you, right? But if Amazon is if it's in another country other than the US, I might not be able to send it to you. All right, but I'm sure I could do it for Canada. So if you're in Canada, you can get it. If I have to pay extra shipping, I won't be able to do it. So I have Prime, so you know I don't pay extra shipping. But please remember to follow the rules of the contest. So far, only one person has followed the rules. All right, so go back and look at the video and follow the rules of the contest so you can win the class and the mixer. Okay, I'm giving away 2 of them. 2 class, 2 mixers. So 2 different people. Same person can't win both. 2 different people. So those are the rules. And look at the colors. They're so nice. And I'm sure the person who gets it will be very, very appreciative. Anyway, just follow the contest rules. And Happy New Year to you all. And happy to 2020. Hope to do much more videos in 2020. And enjoy. God bless us all. Enjoy with you and your family. The new year coming up, and I'll try to do two drinks video. I'm gonna do a rum punch, and I'm gonna do another eggnog. All right, I'm gonna do another eggnog, Jamaican style. All right. Happy New Year.